6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so hey there. Hey ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing today? Chris here, and I'm going to go over the very beginning arpeggio part for a song I wrote more than 10 years ago. The song is called Esperanza, and it's on my album Levanto that I released now 10 years ago this year. I thought I would share this with you because it can be a fantastic exercise, but it's really what makes the best exercises, in my opinion, is if they're musical. So this is a piece of a composition that I made that turns out to be a great exercise, okay? So what we have to do first is learn the chord. I want you to put your third finger on the 7th fret of the first string. We're going to put our our index finger on the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Now our pinky on the 8th fret of the 3rd string. So we have 7, 5, 8, and then we're going to put our 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the 4th string. So from the 1st string, we're going 7, 5, 8, 6. 7, 5, 8, 6. And then we have that low E. So basically what this ends up being is an E major 7 chord. We have that E, then we have the 3rd of the E, we have the G sharp, then we have the major 7, okay? So that is the D sharp, and then we have the E, and then we have the B up here, the 5th, okay? Just such a lovely chord. So in typical arpeggio this pattern is going to use the top 3 strings with with your index middle ring, okay? We have our thumb on that low 6th string. And so we're going to do our 8th notes. It's a Bulerias, and we're going to start on 12, and we go 12 and 1 and 2 and... So we're just doing a descending arpeggio. We use our thumb at the same time the first time, and then just the descending arpeggio on its own the next time. Now we're going to get our thumb involved, but it's going to play the 4th string. We're going to do a sextuplet. We're going to go up, we're going to ascend and descend. So, and then we're going to do one more descending arpeggio starting on that 1st string. And that's it. That's the whole pattern. So we have the very beginning, another descending. Now we have that up and down sextuplet, and then one more descending. All right. So it's a lot of notes. For all my Patreon subscribers, you guys get the full tab lesson for this. So consider doing that. That would be super cool of you. I super appreciate it. If not, no worries. I do ask that if you want to subscribe to the channel, that helps me out too. So subscribe, like the video, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And then also any requests for other stuff, okay? Let me know so I can try to get that for you, all right? So now let's play this in time. It starts on 12. It's a Bulerias, and I think I already said that, but I'm going to put this down at 112. Like I said, the first part is 8th notes, and then we have triplets. So I don't know that I'm going to be able to count it. I'm not going to even try. Since it starts on 12, I'll go 9, 10, 11. We start on 12, okay? 9, 10, 11. So there you have it. I am doing a rest stroke with my thumb, which means I follow through, and I even do that on the 4th string, but it's just so quick because I have to go. So I hit it, and then I lift it. Now, I've talked about this a lot in other videos, but make sure that your thumb, I look at this as an inverted V or a TP, yeah? Your index finger needs a free range of motion as it goes in for that arpeggio. So if your thumb is back here and you're doing any kind of movement with that thumb, now your index finger can't lift. So if you're new to arpeggio work, then you need to basically It's called ulnar deviation. That's a fancy phrase. Ulnar deviation, yeah? So, yeah. So instead of going like this and all of a sudden my thumb and my index finger are locked together, I need to go like this, yeah? Okay? All right, so that's the very first big arpeggio in Esperanza. And I had another point. I wanted to make sure that leave your elbow off your leg. Just in case you're a resting elbow on the leg person, stop doing that. It might not be necessary for this if you have the reach for this. One thing that will help your reach, if your elbow is like pinned to your leg down here and it's out like this, and you might be able to reach with that pinky. So make sure your elbow is free and that you can tuck it in more towards your ribs, yeah? And then that's gonna bring that, see how that brings my pinky up? So I can grab that, okay? So there's a little bit of an extra tip on that chord voicing. And that's it. I hope you enjoy it. I know this is a great warm-up, and I will frequently use this as a warm-up. It's just a beautiful chord, and let me know if you find some other beautiful chords that you like to use with this particular pattern. That's it. Thank you so much, and I will see you very soon. Have a great day. Enjoy the practice. Get to work, okay? Bye-bye.